Hey everyone,
Welcome back to Mon English Podcast.
the podcast where you practice real English in a simple and friendly way.
That's right.
Today, we're talking about school and homework in English.
This is a very useful topic for beginners.
Because we talk about school almost every day.
Exactly.
And don't worry if your English is not perfect.
Just listen, repeat, and practice with us.
You're learning step by step.
Good job already.
And if you enjoy this podcast,
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
for more easy English conversations,
Okay,
let's start.
do you like school?
Yeah, I do.
I like school because I can learn new things.
And talk with my friends.
Nice.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is art.
I love drawing.
That's cool.
My favorite subject is English.
English is fun.
Let's practice that sentence together.
My favorite subject is English. Again.
Slowly.
My favorite subject is English. Very nice.
Now you can try. My favorite subject is math. My favorite subject is science. My favorite subject is history. Okay.
Do you have homework today?
Yes, I do.
I have a lot of homework today.
Oh, really?
What homework do you have?
I have math homework.
And reading homework.
That sounds busy.
A little busy, yes.
What about you?
I have English homework tonight.
Let's practice another useful sentence.
I have homework. Again.
I have homework. Now let's make longer sentences.
I have math homework. I have English homework. I have a lot of homework. Excellent work, everyone.
Now listen to this short conversation.
Hey,
Are you free after school?
not really.
I have homework tonight.
Oh,
What homework do you have?
I have science homework.
And reading homework.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Okay,
Did you understand?
let's listen one more time.
Hey,
Are you free after school?
not really.
I have homework tonight.
Oh,
What homework do you have?
I have science homework.
And reading homework.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Great listening practice.
Now let's learn some school vocabulary together.
Repeat after us.
Teacher,
Student.
classroom,
Homework.
notebook.
Test.
Very good.
Now let's use them in sentences.
My teacher is very kind. I am a student. My notebook is blue. We have a test tomorrow. Awesome job, everyone.
Okay,
Let's take a short break.
in part 2,
We'll practice more real English conversations.
about studying and daily school life. Welcome back, everyone.
In this part,
We'll continue practicing real English about school and studying.
remember,
Listening and repeating is very important.
yes,
Don't be shy.
speak with us out loud.
Okay,
When do you usually study?
I usually study at night after dinner.
Nice.
Where do you study?
I study in my room.
It's quiet.
That's a great answer.
What about you?
I study in the library sometimes.
Very nice.
Let's practice together.
I study at night. Again,
I study at night. Now try this.
I study after school. I study in my room. I study with my friends. Excellent pronunciation, everyone.
Now let's do a longer real-life conversation.
Listen carefully.
Ah,
How was school today?
it was good.
I had English and science class today.
Nice.
What's your favorite class?
My favorite class is English.
What about you?
I like art class because I love drawing.
That's fun.
Do you have homework tonight?
Yes, I do.
What homework do you have?
I have math homework.
And a reading assignment.
Wow.
That's a lot.
Yeah,
But I'll finish it tonight.
good luck.
Thanks.
You too.
Okay, everyone.
Now let's practice speaking together.
Answer these questions out loud.
What's your favorite subject?
Do you have homework today?
Where do you study?
When do you usually study?
Good job.
Speaking out loud helps your English grow faster.
Even short answers are great practice.
Exactly.
Small practice every day is powerful.
Before we finish,
Let's review today's key phrases.
repeat after us.
My favorite subject is English. I have homework. I study at night. Perfect.
You're improving already.
And we're really proud of you.
Keep listening.
Keep practicing.
And don't give up.
Learning English takes time.
But you can do it.
And remember,
Mistakes are okay.
mistakes help you learn.
Before we go,
Tell us in the comments.
what is your favorite school subject?
And what time do you usually study?
Thanks for practicing English with us today.
Bye everyone.
See you next time.